This is another clip that comes from the day we went to the play park when we had a layover in your room machine. This was quite a big day for us. We did a lot of filming, so unfortunately we couldn't put it all in the one episode. So this is why we're showing you these little crew cuts.
But there's lots of things to do and play with over there. And this one was really cool.
Yeah, we found this strange, like, amphitheater thing that when you stood right in the middle of the amphitheater, you had this strange acoustic effect that was like, it was like you were sitting in the middle of a guitar. Not that I've done that before.
Some mathematics built into concrete. Very cool.
Check it
First
out.
time I've ever heard mathematics. Not true. I think music is mathematics. Never mind. It was neat.
Check it out. This is going to be tricky to explain to you, but right now I have this perfect 360 surround sound echoing sound of my voice. Because right here, as I stand in the middle of this mini amphitheater, my voice is perfectly attuned to bounce off all these rock walls. And it's the craziest effect. I wish you could hear it, but it's not only is it louder, but it's like it's 3D. I can hear my voice behind me as well as in front of me. I don't exactly know what's happening here, but we think that the sound is bouncing off perfectly off the circle that's around me. This is mathematics at work. My sister's gonna think that's hilarious because I sucked at math.